because life is pretty much the biggest journey you've got, and I wanted to share it with you guys.
You better stop!
Well, oh no. So, hi. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I can explain. Oh, hey everyone, how you doing? My name's Cayenne Pendragon. For everybody who is watching who doesn't know, I started a YouTube channel well over a year ago, thinking I was going to educate the world in my, at that time, very limited knowledge in makeup and existing. And then I uploaded like 4 videos, and wait, no, we're gonna find out how many videos did I upload. Okay, so it's a little bit better. I uploaded 8 videos, then I vanished for a year. Yeah. Let me explain why I vanished first of all. Okay. Let's talk about it. So I started my channel in, say, like October, November of 2018. And I uploaded a video with saying, "Hi, welcome to my channel." That was the title of my video. Cringiest thing on planet Earth, as you can see by the little snippet I put in the video. Then I started uploading makeup tutorials. I did a brush review. I mean, you can see, if you look back on my older videos when I had long hair, you can see what kind of content I was posting. And I was loving it. I had a laptop that I was trying to edit my videos on. I had no clue how to edit videos. I still don't know how to edit videos. Let me correct myself there. I was fully prepared to upload all of this amazing content and have all of these videos and like do great things, right? Like every 17-year-old uploading on YouTube. In 17, I did not realize how absolutely insane my life was about to get. I was about to turn 18. I turned 18 in March of 2018, right? I just turned 19, in fact. Because when I'm filming this, it is April 1st. So I just turned 19 recently. I was about to turn 18, so thus I was about to graduate high school, and I was also about to move halfway across the country. I was prepared to do all of these videos based on what was going on. I was about to film a moving vlog, and I wanted to film all of these new vlogs for traveling. And because we were traveling halfway across the country, like there's some good content there, and I do wish I would have. Also in that time period, the last video I uploaded, let me give you a time frame, okay? So the last video I uploaded was in February of 2018, right? Cool. It was a Valentine's Day video, cute, sure, right? And then in June, I had 2 Comic-Cons to go to. I had Denver Comic-Con, and then I had the last SODAC-Con. Day after SODAC-Con ended, I had to move, essentially. So we had a 24-hour drive ahead of us. So in June, I planned on vlogging for the con, Denver Comic-Con. It's now, what is it called now? Denver Pop Culture Con? But because things went so crazy, and honestly, I'm glad I didn't film because I looked like a hot mess all weekend. Costumes weren't finished. We are like always the parents of the group, so we of course were trying to manage the other 2 and make all these things happen and finish costumes and do the con and all of that stuff. And so of course Denver Comic-Con didn't get filmed, and not to mention we also had to be moving that whole process. We had to be packing up our life of, oh my gosh, we lived in that same town for my entire life. So 18 years at that point. So we had to pack up 18 years worth, essentially, of existing. A lot of it was thrown away because obviously you can't take that much in a car. Another thing to add on to everything else that's happening, right? I was moving out of my parents' house. We had to go to conventions. And in hindsight, we absolutely should not have gone to those cons. There was so much other stuff that needed to happen that should have taken priority, that didn't, but you know, whatever, it happens. So Denver Comic-Con happened amidst moving and packing and getting our lives together. And then the weekend after that was SODAC-Con, the very last one. I was co-hosting a educational panel, then also performing in a fashion show for a dear friend of mine. First day of the con, we had our panel. So I had to be in Widowmaker for that. If you're following my Instagram, which you should be because I've actually been posting on that consistently for the past year, there is a picture of my Widowmaker on that because I loved the makeup for that. I plan on doing a makeup tutorial for Widowmaker eventually because there's only like 3 on YouTube total. So I do plan on doing a Widowmaker tutorial because I love Widowmaker. I love cosplaying her. I do hope to be able to do a better cosplay of her in the future. And go to the con, run the panel. The panel was a mess. The panel was a disaster, but that's okay. It was fun. Some people learned some things. I got to explain body paint for a while. And then Sunday I was in the fashion show. Also on my Instagram, there were pictures of the costume that was made by the wonderful Bridget Ferrugia. She made an entire fire goddess costume just for me to wear for that fashion show because it was my last fashion show ever with her and at that con and in general for a hot while. So she made that whole costume. It looked so beautiful. It was so much fun. I got to perform with a very dear friend of mine and she was the water goddess and we looked amazing. We looked beautiful. It was so much fun. Anyway, do the fashion show on Sunday. We had to move Monday. So the fashion show happened Sunday. I had to say goodbye to all of my friends from the state I'm from and all of the people I've known for so many years. And that was hard and it was emotional, and because a lot of these people I know I'm never gonna see ever again. And that's hard. Like, that's especially for a teenager who I didn't really have a whole lot of friends, and now I have like one besides my friends from back home. Say goodbye to all of these people. I had to say goodbye to my theater family. That's sad. And I'm a very like emotional person anyway. So I got really connected to these people and then I had to say goodbye to them and that was hard. Anyway, so we moved. I wanted to vlog all that, right? Everything that I'm talking about, the entire time I had the intention to film it and I didn't. We got to where we are and I started work at the end of July. I started working at Ulta. I started working there. I started working a lot. And then I moved over to the prestige side. I started working more. And then shortly after I moved into Clinique. So now I'm a Clinique consultant and I work a heck of a lot more than now. My feet hurt all the time. I got into a rut where I just wasn't doing anything. I'm one of those people, I can't be in a rut. I can't do the same thing for a long amount of time because it will drive me insane. I'm one of those people that thrives off of change. I need things to be different. I need things to change. I can't do the same for a long amount of time. I only got to a place where I was like, I can't do this. I can't keep doing the same thing. I can't just get up, go to work and go home. So I needed to get to a place where I could do something creative again. At this point now, I'm still working at Ulta. However, I am trying to put more on my plate. Got a PC now that I can edit on and work on. I'm filming videos again. I'm doing colorful makeup again. As you can see, I got into a place where I was just doing neutral everyday eyeshadow. A lot of the time I wasn't even wearing eyeshadow. Like, seriously, it was a mess. Getting to a place where I can film again and I can edit again and I can upload again. And I'm so excited. So this is gonna be a long, kind of scattered video, but I just wanted to make a video explaining where I was for the year, where I've been at mentally for the year, and what I plan to be doing. Things are gonna happen on this channel. You guys are gonna get all of the makeup tutorials I've said that I'm going to put out. You're going to get beauty tutorials, FX tutorials, cosplay tutorials, whatever you guys want, I will make happen. I'm gonna start streaming on Twitch. If you guys want makeup stuff streamed on Twitch, if you want games, whatever you want, I'm gonna start streaming on Twitch, so make sure you let me know what you wanna see on Twitch. I'm going to be uploading, of course, vlogs. I'm gonna be doing all kinds of stuff. There's a lot in the works. There is a lot in the works, and I'm very, very excited about it. I do plan on uploading once a week for now so I can get used to it again. I'm pre-filming a lot of videos, so a lot of stuff is in a weird order. You'll notice, you'll see this makeup look twice, It's in another tutorial that I filmed, but I'm going to make sure I upload once a week. You guys are gonna get an upload every Friday. I will put a post up about like what time I will be posting so you guys can know consistently I will be posting every Friday at whatever time. To be a little bit more lax in my videos. Had a persona. I was kind of keeping up with my old videos. You can tell the difference between how I act now and how I acted in my other videos. And that wasn't me. It is awkward to talk to a camera. So I plan on being a little bit more lax, being a little more chill with you guys, which I hope you like. That's kind of what's going on. That's what's been happening over the past year. And that's what will be happening with the future of my channel. I am working on a website, so when that is up and running, I will have it linked below, so you guys can also go check out my website. There'll be blog posts on that, pictures, videos, the whole thing. Hope you guys liked this video. I know it's kind of long and I know it's kind of weird. Those of you who just wanted a little explanation about why there's a gap from February of 2018 to April of 2019, that's why. If you guys like all of the tutorials I've got coming up, I got a lot of stuff planned for this YouTube channel. If you are excited for everything that's coming to my YouTube channel, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, all that fun stuff. I will see you guys in the next videos. Thank you so much for joining me again and coming back to my YouTube channel after a year. And I will see you guys very soon. Later.